So we're here in the Sigma booth at WPPI, and I've got hands-on with a new 14-24 f2.8 lens. I love these Art Series lenses. You guys have been doing a fantastic job. I've got Jared here from Sigma. He's going to tell us a little bit more, and then I'll give you some hands-on thoughts.
Hey, Toby.
Hey, Jared.
How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Good. Yes, the new 14-24 2.8. We're really excited being the newest full-frame lens that we have in our art line. You know, we did recently come out with a 12-24 full frame. It is an f4, but we did have people that, you know, there's a few concerns about it that they really couldn't use it in their applications. So this lens has definitely been designed for photojournalists, for VR photographers, multicam use, also underwater photographers, because we are offering a front mount conversion on this. We can actually take off the pedal. We'll put another ring on there, and then actually you don't have anything obstructing the edge of the lens.
So right up to the edge of the housing.
Correct. Nice. Correct, yeah. This lens also has 3 of our FLD glass, which is our highest level of low dispersion glass, 3 SLD glass elements, as well as 3 spherical. So it has virtually no distortion, especially wide open. Wide open and at the widest focal length, and has minimal ghosting and flaring.
That's the best part.
Fantastic. All right, I'm going to clip this mic back on me because we got a little background noise going on. But I'll just say that I imagine you heard some from astrophotographers as well. I mean, the f2.8, this really is an appealing lens to me. I love shooting the stars. I love to have some control over my composition. I mean, the 14-1.8 is probably one of the best lenses out there for shooting the stars, but having a little bit more flexibility in setting up your shot in that range from 14-24, I find to be really convenient. It's a hefty lens, but honestly, it's not as heavy as I thought it was going to be, being that it's such a wide angle and it offers f2.8. So overall, I think it feels really nicely. So this looks great. I'm going to share some shots with you. It's shipping in mid-March, and the link and all of the rest of the information you need to know is right down below. Jared, thanks so much for taking some time with us.
Thank you.
Thank you.